Preparing spaghetti bolognese. Creating a hearty spaghetti bolognese is a rewarding experience. To start, you will need the following ingredients: 400 grams of spaghetti, 500 grams of minced beef, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 400 grams of canned tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, and some fresh basil leaves. Begin by boiling a large pot of water with a pinch of salt. Once the water is boiling, add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain the spaghetti and set aside. While the spaghetti is cooking, peel and finely chop the onion and garlic. In a large pan, sauté the onion and garlic until they are soft and golden. Add the minced beef to the pan and cook until browned. Break up any large chunks of meat with a spoon. Once the meat is browned, add the canned tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, and pepper. Stir well and let the sauce simmer for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Serve the bolognese sauce over the cooked spaghetti and garnish with fresh basil leaves. Enjoy your delicious and hearty spaghetti bolognese with a side of garlic bread or a fresh salad.